Okay, hi there guys, welcome to our fourth tutorial about C Sharp. In this tutorial we are going to talk a little bit about division. On last tutorial we spoke about integers. Basically with integers you have two methods for performing divisions. Okay, there is the standard division operator and there is the modulus operator. Okay, so we have these two. So now let's experiment with these and see how we could use them. So the first thing we want to experiment with is a simple division. You have two numbers, you want to divide one by the other and you display the result. So we're going to define two integers, integer a and b. Okay, system console dot write enter two integers. Okay, and then equal a equals int dot parse system console read line read line. Okay, there we go. This would read the first integer and b equals int dot parse system console read line. Okay, so we just read these two integers and now we are gonna divide one by the other. So int c equal a divided by b. Very straightforward, right? And system console write line c equals plus c semicolon system console read line. Okay, so it's very simple. Let us run this. Okay, 10 divided by 3, we get 3, although this is not an accurate result, but as we said in the previous tutorial, you are getting what? You are getting the integer part of the division. Now, the second operator is the modulus. Here we are going to define the modulus int m equals a, and you use the percentage to indicate that this is a modulus. Okay, so here we are gonna see m equals m small here, and we're gonna run this, and you can see now 10 divided by 3, you get 3 and modulus 1. So the remainder of dividing 10 by 3 is 1. This is what it means. Okay, so this is a very simple operator, but it is very useful. Okay, so how can we how can you use the modulus operators? Well, there are many ways, but basically how should I give a good explanation for that? Okay, I think I will give you a number of examples. It will best used to convert units. Okay, converting units. So let's say you know how many hours you have worked, and you want to find out how many days is the total and how many hours remaining. Okay, so to make you understand what I mean by this, let's get into this example. We will get the number of hours, int hours semicolon system console write enter number of hours. Okay, so hours equals int dot parse system console read line. Okay, now we want to figure out how many days in these. So int days equals hours divided by 24 because as you already know, each day consists of 24 hours, and int hours remaining equals hours modulus 24. So this is the remaining hours, and now you could say system cancel right line the number of days is, and you just write this, and system cancel right line, oops, the number of hours and hours remaining. Very easy, very straightforward. So let's run this and see how we could use this. So 48 hours is basically 2 days. Now if we say 50 hours, it means 2 days and 2 hours, and 52 hours maps to 2 days and 4 hours. Alright, okay. So this is a very simple example. We converted our unit, our input or unit from number of hours into what? Into days, right? Well, this is one of the general use. There are many others. It depends basically on the formula you have, but you know, this is one of the very common things you do. It does have a number of let's have a better example, which is finding out the number of coins. Okay, finding out the number of coins. Okay, now this one's a little bit more complex example. So let's say you have the following types of coins. You have 1 cent, okay, you have 5 cents, you have 10 cents, you have 20 cents, and let's say you have 50 cents, and you have dollar, $1. Okay, so it should be something like this. So how do you do that? Well, basically we are going to start from the maximum unit and going down to the minimum one. Okay, from the larger to the smaller. Okay, so first we need to know how many cents do we have in total. So int total equals, and dot bars. Before that I need to display a friendly message. So system cancel right line enter total number of cents. Okay, this is very easy, and int cents, or let's say total, equal int dot parse what system console read line. Okay, so now we need to figure out how many dollars. Okay, so int d dollars. Okay, I might have written this wrong. If I did, then just try that in the comments. Yeah, sorry about doing this the wrong way. Total equals so basically total divide this by 100. This will get you the number of dollars. Now we need to work on the remaining, so now we would say total equals total modulus 100. So this will get us the remaining. So get dollars. Okay, get the remaining to find the exchange. Okay, now we have to work on the 50 cents, and 50 equals total, divide this by 50, right? So just wait a second. Okay, and in a similar way we would say total equal total modulus 50. Okay, next we will get into the 20 equal total divide this by 20, and total equals total modulus 20, and we need to work on the tens. Tens equal total divide this by 10, and tens equal total equals total modulus 10, and same goes for the fives. Okay, fives. Okay, all right, and the last one is the ones, so we don't need to do anything. Okay, so now we just need to display the result, right? So system console write line. Actually we could just say dollars, something like this. Okay, system console write line. Next one we have what, 50 coins of 50 cents. All right, and okay, just to make things faster, so we have 50, we have 20, we have 10, we have sorry, this is tens, fives, and total. Okay, so 50 is gonna be 20 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent, right? So this is how you could convert the number. So let's test this out and see how it works. So let's go and figure out how to do that. Well, that's very easy. So let's say we will have 179 cents. Okay, and this converts to $1. Okay, and one coin of 50 cents, one coin of 5 cents, and 4 coins of 1 cent. Okay, it's very straightforward, right? And also you could just, 50 cents plus 20, this is 70, plus 1 5, so this is 75, and plus 4s, and this is 79. Okay, we can test that again. Let us say 10. Okay, so this converts to $2, one coin of 20 cents, and two coin of 1 cent. So very easy, very straightforward, right? So how did this algorithm, what how did we do it? Well, basically, uh, in this part you can see the div always get you the, how many complete items. So basically here we are saying how many 100 cents are available in our total, and this will convert into dollars. Okay, this is what it means. Okay, now this statement is asking or figuring out how many cents does not amount to 100. Okay, this is, you could interpret it like this. Okay, you could say that what's the remainder of the division, or how many cents remaining that does not amount to 100. This is what it means. Okay, same technique or same idea goes to here. How many 50 cents are available, right? And how many cents are not about 50, and so on. The important thing here, the most important thing is you must always start from the largest value, okay, and then work your way down to the smallest one. If you reverse the order, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, So I guess this will be all for today. Just wanted to show you how you could use the div operator or the division operator and the modulus operator